Good morning. It's a dull, dreary day today. It's getting a little brighter, so I might put my sunglasses on before this is over. It is October the 22nd, 2020, and today we're going to harvest the sugar beets. They are starting to fade now. Now I have this one that looks like a fairly big one. I transplanted some and they seem to catch better than what the regular red beets would. They didn't die, but now, as you can see, he's not very big, so we'll see when I take it up how big it is. These beets are said to get over a foot long, so I might have to get the fork to get these out. What I'm going to do is, like a parsnip, I'll push down and pull up. Now, I don't know how long they're going to be. Of course, this here is a very small one. I'll throw them out first. So that's the shape. See, they are shaped like a parsnip. Here's one with a bigger top. So far there's none split, which is good because I have to wash these off really well to process them. So yeah, just seems like I just take the top, I'll push down and then pull up, and they come up really easy. Let's see what this big one does. Yeah, that's a nice sized beet. See, but this is why I put them up here, because this is pretty much the softest bed I have. Since they were so easy, let's just quickly take them up and then I'll cut the tops off afterwards. Poor little bee at the end of his life. These are the golden beets. I was given some seeds back in the spring. I don't have many, but I think I'll have enough for some fresh veggies for a meal or two. Okay, so this is one of the sugar beets that I transplanted. If you add a long season, I guess, I don't know yet, see what affects sugar beets. They are a cool season crop, and because of that, I would assume that high temperatures would stop their growth once it gets over like 26 degrees Celsius maybe. Guess I'll just cook these up like I do with the red beets and peel them and eat them as a fresh vegetable. I mean, I don't know what they taste like anyway. This is my first time doing this as a gardener. And I know of nobody who has grown these in a home garden. So I'm learning on the fly. One thing I'm noticing right away, and whether this is normal or my soil or what, they have a lot of side roots. So now I started to do that, but you see how it took the skin off right there? So I'm not liking that idea. I have to boil these to a pulp later, as far as I know. One thing I do know though is with these, cut the top right off. The reason for that is because we're after the sugar in these, not the entire beet itself. So we want all of the sucrose to bleed out. And if you leave a top on, the leaves can start to regrow, and then you'll have a deteriorating beet, the same as we found with the red beets. So I'll just cut the tops off, throw them over there. And I will take the smallest of them as well. This one had a big top on him. Now we'll take them and wash them off, because the soil clinging to those side roots are enough to add to the weight. The tops are edible, the same as with any other beet, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to put them back on the bed, but I want to disturb all those pansies first. You're in the shade of the house there now. You shouldn't get blown over. See, if you do it right away, you can wash them pretty clean if your soil is loamy. Notice it's foaming up. I wonder if that's something to do with the beet or not. yes, we wash it right down to the bitter end. This entire beet will be used. Time to weigh them. £20, 9 kilograms. So at £20, if I were to be able to get all the sugar out of these beets, I'd get 4 pounds of sugar, just under 2 kilograms. Price wise, that's not all that great. I can get 4 kilograms of sugar for $5. But these are heirloom, non-GMO. And as I said, I don't know anybody who's growing these as a home gardener, small time, which means a lot of the sugar you get from sugar beets are from the GMO sugar beets on the big farms. So keeping these varieties alive is important. I got mine from Salt Spring Seeds, which I think is on Vancouver Island. I'm not sure. I am happy with this. According to the reports from the agriculture universities, that largest beet I showed you, that is the average size for commercial growers, somewhere between 1.1 and 2.2 pounds. They also said the highest tonnage per acre would come in if you did 100 plants per 100 foot row, so that's 1 plant per foot, and a 22-inch row spacing. I didn't have them 1 foot in a row, so that is why, even though I got smaller ones, I came up to 20 pounds. My beds are 3 feet by 10 feet. So if I got the low end of what the commercial growers get, then I would have gotten approximately 30 pounds. So 20 pounds for the first try. I am very happy with that. My next goals is to get that 30 pounds per bed and to get an average of 1 pound per beet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.